Welcome, my dear students. In previous period, we have seen that how the lion decided his court and his advisors, vultures, leopard, and they both planned to get the meat of the camel. And when the fox reached to the camel, he came back with the camel and he served the he means that camel was agreed to serve the lion to to help them to reach back their forest. Get on the camel's back, your majesty, said the fox. We will return to home. So fox said that get on the back of the camel. The lion at once jumped on the camel's back. His courtiers, the fox and the leopard, jump up behind him. All the courtiers also jump on the camel's back. Means the camel was ready to help them to get their forest or their court or their home. So here all jump on his back. See the page number 13. And with the vulture flying ahead as a guide. And who was the guide? Vulture was the guide. Vulture was showing the way. They set off on the long journey back to the forest. And now all are going to the forest. Long journey it was. When the travelers reached the forest, they were all tired and hungry. All were tired, all were hungry. The fox, the leopard, and the vulture looked at the camel, and now both three are looking to the camel. Sorry, they all are looking towards the camel. Then they looked at each other and smiled, hungry smile. And their smile was not good. The smile was very hungry smile because now they are going to eat to the camel. The fox, the leopard, they all were looking towards each other. They had brought the camel for the king's dinner, and it was the plan that the camel was for the king's dinner. Now it was time for the feast, and all were thinking that it is the time for the party, for the feast. The lion king knew what his courtiers were thinking, and here lion come to know that what the my courtiers are thinking. He called the camel to him. Then lion called the camel. Friend camel, he said. Lion said, oh my friend camel, I have to thank you for saving my life. Really, it was too hot in the sand, but you saved my life, my dear friend. You are welcome to live at my court as long as you like. Wherever you want to live, you are here. You are welcome to my court. I promise you my protection. I will protect you. No one will harm you. Then the lion's courtiers were shocked. All the courtier fox, leopard, and the vulture both get shocked. What the lion is saying about protection and that all. Had they not risked their lives so that he could try camel meat? Means see, means now they all are thinking, is there any risk their lives so that he could try camel meat? And the king wanted to let the camel live, but the king don't want to kill the camel. He want to live alive the camel because the camel help him. The courtiers were not pleased, but the courtiers were not happy with his decision, with the king's decision. What was the king's decision? To leave the camel alive. Yet they could do nothing. But though they all were unhappy, but they can't do anything. Now the lion's paws were so badly burnt that he could not go hunting. And now the situation is what? Because of the hot paws, that the king is not able to make any hunting. And if the king is not going to make hunting, so what will they eat? But that did not keep him from growing very hungry indeed. But the hunger was increasing and increasing and increasing, but food was not there. Fox, leopard, vulture, he shouted. Then the lion, the king, shouted, fox, leopard, vulture, don't you see that I am ill and hungry? Don't you are seeing that I am very much ill and hungry also? Go and get me some food. So he ordered them that go and bring some food for me. The courtiers had to obey the king. Yes, the order they have to obey. So out they went, and for that they went, but they did not go far. They were not ready to go far away. They sat down in a safe place and discussed what they could do. And now again they are going to make a plan that what we can do to eat the camel. I know, said the fox after a while. And after some time, fox said, I know. We shall make the camel ask to be eaten. Let us go and we will ask to the camel itself that we want to eat you. He told the others of his plan. And what was the plan of the fox? He told to others. This is the plan of fox, that we will ask to the camel itself. They all agreed. So back they went to the king. They all get agreed. Yes, we will ask. First, the vulture stepped forward. First, the vulture stepped forward. Your Majesty, he said, bowing low, we have found no food, but we cannot let your Majesty suffer. I am a poor creature, eat me. And here, what they planned? That we will ask to the camel itself. For that, before that, we have to ask to our king, lion, that eat us, eat us, eat us, like this. So the lion will not ready. So here the first vulture saying that I am the poor creature and you can eat me. Means here the vulture itself is presenting to the lion. See the next page number 40. The fox pushed the vulture aside, and here the fox pushed vulture that you go away. I have more meat on me. I have more meat. He cried, eat me, your Majesty. And here the fox is saying that eat me. I have more meat. Now the leopard rushed forward, and the leopard come forward. I am not much good. He cried, I am not so good, but I could make a meal for the king. But I could make my body will be help you to eat. The camel listened to all these offers. So camel listened all three offers. He must do as much he thought, and then he decided that I have to do something now. It is the time to do. The camel listened to all these offers, and the bechara camel listening all the things. He must do as much he thought. And here camels have to do something. Your Majesty, he said. Who? Camel. I too am willing to give my life for you. See, the camel is also offering. Please eat me instead of these old friends of yours who will be more useful than I am. These three friends are more useful than me. Eat me, the camel is saying. This was what the fox, the leopard, and the vulture were waiting for. And this was the plan that they were waiting for, that we will ask to the camel to eat by itself. They prepared to jump at the camel, and both three were ready to jump, but the lion stopped them. But the lion came between and stopped both three. You are all good and loyal subjects, he said. And what the lion said? You all are really very good. My heart is touched by your offers. And here the lion is saying, really I am very much affected by your offers. I accept them all. And what the lion is saying? I accept your offers. The fox offer, the vulture's offer, the leopard's offers, I accept. I shall eat you in the order in which you offered yourself. Means both four offered na. First vulture, second fox, third leopard, and then fourth one camel. So he is saying that I will eat you in that manner only, that how you orderly you offered. The vulture first, the fox next, and the leopard were shocked, because now they know This is our sequence. Away flew the vulture, away ran the fox and the leopard. The vulture flew away, and the fox and leopard both ran away from the lion. They were never seen in the forest again. See, not only that place, but the forest they get live. The lion laughed to see them go. And when the vulture was flying, when the fox and leopard were running, that time the king was laughing. Then he turned to the camel and said, and then he turned towards the camel and said, "You have been loyal and good. You are the one that you are really the loyal. You not run out. You shall be my friend as long as we are alive. Wherever our life is there, wherever I am alive or you are alive, we are the best friend. You are my best friend. You are my friend." The camel was happy, and now the camel was also very happy that the king understand me, and grateful also. The lion thought to himself, and then on that time the lion was thinking himself that to be king is good. To be king, to decider is really a good one, but to be kind is better. But to be kind is better. Kingship is not good. Kindness is very much good. We should be kind towards others. Like here, you have seen that how the camel helped to that all the four. But the king, the lion is there was he was king. But after getting the help of camel, he was not king. At that time, he was a kind person, and that's why he show his kindness towards the camel. And then after the king come to know kingness is good, it is not bad, it is really good, but kindness is better than the kinghoodship, isn't it? That one should be very kind towards others. If we show our kindness to others, then the happiness whatever is there, that will we can enjoy. Let us see our workshop. Page number 15. First question. Write a character sketch of each of the animal. Write about their actions and thoughts and qualities that emerge through them. You may present the sketch in the form of a graphic also. Means graphic format, you can use that 3 columns, that about 3 characters, means what their actions are given in the passage, in the lesson, what they thought, their thoughts and their qualities also you can write. Second question. Using your imagination, write more sentence in the same pattern. Some sentences are given, more sentences you have to write down. First pattern, but the more the lion had, the more he wanted. Whenever he took a walk, they followed him. To be king is good, but to be kind is better. Such kinds of sentences you have to write down. Next, turn the story into a play as a group activity and present the scenes in the classroom. There is no need to present in the classroom, but you can write the dialogue format, like what the lion said, what the vulture said, that dialogue wise you can write. This story take an unexpected turn when the lion decides to spare the camel's life. When the lion decides to protect the camel's life, that time the story get turned. So choose any fable, any fairy story, any story that you like, and rewrite the giving in it an unexpected turn. Unexpected turn is there in that story you can write. Then talk about the good qualities of any one person you do not like. That person you don't like, but the good qualities you like. So here no need to write down the name of the person, but you can write the qualities. See the next question 6, language study. Common nouns. We saw that the kinds of noun and the proper noun and common noun. Proper noun is given the particular person, place, thing, animal. But the common noun, means to all person, to all to all things we use one common word, that is common noun. So that common noun is also called as the countable noun, because that common noun, suppose people, so people we can count. Some common nouns stand for something that cannot be counted, but some common nouns are there that we cannot count, like milk, water. We cannot count, we only measure, like liter, but we never count like one milk, one gold, no. So they are called uncountable noun. So countable nouns have two forms, that is singular and plural. Means that countable noun, suppose boy is a common noun, so it is singular, but boys, though it is common noun, but it is plural. Girl, common but singular, girls common, plural, like this. So here you can write down some countable nouns, singular and plural both, and some uncountable nouns also. Here some uncountable nouns examples are given: water, gold, sky, fun, hair, like this, happiness, kindness, that you can write uncountable noun. Then note the expressions: a slice of bread, stands of hairs, 2 glasses of water, a cup of milk, a bit of fun. Here the words are there, we use a, means the we never use like breads, hairs, waters, milks, funs, like this. So that is uncountable noun. That's why we said means we cannot count them. So that is uncountable noun. You have to find out countable nouns from the passage. See, from the passage only you have to find out and write the singular and plural both of the common noun, that countable noun, if you are going to find out. List the unit that you that we use to measure the following. What the units are there to measure water, milk, distance and weight. So the measurement, liter, whatever, kilos, that you have to write down. Okay, so do the workshop. We complete here our lesson. Thank you.